Hey guys, this is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I have with me a nice 2007 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. Now this color here, it's called Jake and Elwood Blue. Named after the famous movie The Blues Brothers. It's got a fuel-injected 96-inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. It's got a nice set of Vance and Hine pipes to make that 96-inch scream. This bike's got a ton of upgrade, guys, so I'm going to try to do my best and point them all out to you. Start off with this aftermarket engine guard. Got some nice highway pegs on it. Stretch your legs out. It's got some nice upgraded pedals. Got the passenger pedals here to match the drivers. Looks like somebody added the bags to this bike. Got your passenger backrest, quick detach with the luggage rack. It's got the clear turn signal lenses with the deep dish bezels. It's also got some cool LED lighting here. I don't know if that's going to show up on the video, but you can kind of see them there shining down on the chrome. Bet that looks pretty killer at nighttime. It's got the fully chrome front end, and man, that sucker shines. Got some upgraded trim rings for the spotlights and the headlights. And you got the clear lenses up here on the front turn signals with the deep dish bezels. It's got you a nice quick detached windshield. A little bag here behind it, a little storage area. It's got the upgraded Harley Davidson premium sound system. Little cup holder there for you. It's got some nice grips on it. It's also got the chrome switch housings. A lot of chrome on this bike. It's got these nice looking white wall tires. Those always look good with wire wheels. See how many miles we got on her. Looks like 26,062 miles. Also, if you can tell, it's got these little diamond rings around the gauge. Look pretty cool. It's also got a little clock here and a temperature gauge. Fire up. There's a few tiny little spots, not much at all. Got one here on the front fender. I mean, it's barely nothing. You can barely see it, but point that out to you. I think it had a little area right here by the gauge. You can hardly even see it, so. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can contact our sales team at 888-400-1151, or you can visit our website at cleanharleys.com and check out our full inventory. We've got great financing and extended warranty options. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be no problem to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.